All right, welcome back, everyone. 7.2 multiplying polynomials. We're going to learn about some of these, okay? And you guys, I think, are going to be pretty darn good at these, because if you remember your exponent rules, that's what a lot of today's stuff is, okay? So I'm gonna just kind of jump through it because I'm really excited. All right. Well, let's review. If we had x squared times x to the 7th. How many x's do I have? I would have 9, right? When we multiply things, means we add them up, okay? Because I would have x times x, and down here I'd have 7 of those x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do you have? You got 9 of them, all right? So remember those rules, because those will be super helpful in this quick and painless lesson, all right? Remember distributing property? Of course you do. 4x, 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. That's done. I don't have negative 24x or whatever. They're different things, so I can't combine them, all right? Number 2, 3x squared. Why? Because x times x is x squared. Over here I have minus 7x. Okay? I'm done. Let's do color black. All right, 3x squared times 4x is going to be 12x to the 3rd. 1, 2, 3. And 3x squared minus 2 is minus 6x squared. Okay? I know I'm going fast, but I just want you to find the patterns real quick. We're going to do more problems, so if you don't get it, just look at those answers, right? I mean, you can just kind of see the pattern. We're just adding and subtracting and multiplying little tiny numbers. So I'm going to move on to a lot of these. There's a whole bunch of them. You know what? I'm just going to make up one, okay? Here we go. Ad-libbing on the spot. If I had 2 times x plus 3, what would that be? It would be 2x plus 6. Correct? And now, let me ask another one. If I had x times x plus 3, what would that be? That would be x squared plus 3x. You see how you distributed that? Right? I mean, you just distributed it to both things. What we're going to do now is we're going to combine this problem and that problem and make one slightly more difficult problem, but not really much. Okay? So here's what your problem is going to look like today. Instead of just a one number that we're distributing out, they're going to throw that 2 and that x into the same, into that same thing. It's now going to look like this. X plus 2 times x plus 3. No biggie, right? You already did the 2x plus 6. And you already did the, I'll do it down below here, x squared, I'll write that here, plus 3x, right? Those are the answers that you just wrote down. See my red and my blue? Oops. I just dropped a marker. All right, anyways, do you see those? We're going to combine those like terms. This is going to be x squared plus 5x plus 6. And that is called foiling, all right? I want to explain first outside, inside, last, right? You multiply the first numbers together, or the outsides, the insides, the last. I don't know. It all adds up to the acronym FOIL. I just call it distributing, because really that's all it is, times you got 2 things, all right? So we're going to do one more example of those, and we're going to call it a fast and quick little lesson here. Oh man, I'm at 4 minutes. Not bad. All right, let's do this here. 3. I'll make it. Yeah, let's go. 3x plus 5 times 2x minus 9. Okay. If you're just doing, let me block one of these. If you're just distributing that piece, it's a plus. It would be easy, right? You would just do 10x minus 45 And I'm gonna have to get a little bit creative. I don't know how to do that one, but I'll just X it up or whatever. If you're just doing this one over here, you would do 3x times 2x, which gives you 6x squared, and 3x minus 9, which gives you negative 27x, right? And that's all you do, and then now we just combine like terms. We're almost always going to have like terms in the middle there. And so we're going to get 6x squared, in this case minus 17x minus 45. Calling it an answer, calling it a day. I'll give you a couple practice problems on that, but hopefully those make sense to you guys, all right? Let me know. Hit me up if you don't. Talk to you later.